comes, sir? Car na 5,000.
5,000. Now 5 I use wash car here now. Have you come here?
Now in and out or only out?
Go wash only out.
Only outside.
Inside. I beg.
Well, now give me key. Agbawo, daddy.
Like I said, no enter inside.
I will wash and wear. I don't enter inside. I will wash and wear. That will be problem. Agbawo.
No, I won't go.
No problem, sir.
I won't go my other bed.
No problem, sir. No problem, sir. I dey wait. Daddy.
Go my other bed.
No problem, sir. Mike, on water, more wash, on water.
Godwin na mumu, he no dey oh, he too dey like yo, he too like woman oh, Gasabi Palokasa, funny Godwin.
But she fine girl.
He no dey oh.
Madam said skin like chocolate, like milk. Hello, how are you?
I skin like chocolate.
Sorry. Okay, skin like cowbell.
Okay.
Fine. You know, I like fairy. I know can we enter inside my office? Let's talk small.
Office?
Yes, let me engage this place. Let's enter inside so that let me engage you.
Okay.
Right, let's go. Just let's stay inside one of my car.
Okay. You have a car?
This is one of my toy.
Oh.
I have Lexus Jeep. I have Jeep cars that are other than this. I just manage this one for a while.
Okay.
You know, with the current economy, I don't normally hide myself. Make kidnappers not see me. So what's the name? Chris. How are you now?
I'm fine.
Alright, I don't know. I don't like engaging guests, but whenever I see fair guests, they trip me down. So I don't know if I can get your phone number so later we talk. You know, this is my working place. I don't want my workers, people like Elon Musk who work under me, Dangote, they normally work under me. Now here I say to Dangote, you start that seven business. Now here I say to Elon Musk go start that Cybertron. Now me say to that when they start that company. If it be my money, Elon Musk, you're not going to hear that name Elon Musk today. Now me say it's one of my boy. Fellow Lucky Jack, now one of my sex girl. Fellow Lucky Jack, now my sex girl owns the tallest building in Nigeria, now my sex girl. Now me say to them, she go start her business. I don't know if you can get your phone number so that if I want me to say to you like fellow Lucky Jack, so that you figure the smallest video before I take it.
Sorry, my phone is switched off. If you write your number, give me.
No problem now.
You joking?
God up.
Hey! Alright, much love. My regards to your people. Then I meet the man that trained Elon Musk and fellow Lucky Jack with Dangote. Come out. Sorry, I just want to say my small rest. I see the wash up, sir. Remember the wash up. Remember the tires.
I bet shoot. Your money how much?
1.15, sir.
1.5.
Yes, sir.
Who tell this thing one?
Me, I don't know. Now so I say I don't know.
You tell my 10 million naira check. You say you don't know. Say I tell me can enter this car.
I don't know who do it. I know be me. If I me do it, I will say I me do it.
What is
okay? Lying not there, bro. We know the life for our family, so not me do it.
Okay, you must tell me tear this my check. Who tear my check?
Now me, I tear and give one girl number.
Tear my 10 million naira check.
You dey use your function to play.
They tell someone for my own car.
Yay!
I don't
See
know.
the shop. I will close everything. If you not provide this, if you run, I will give it to you. You must provide this 10 million check.
I don't know say that you get it and 10 million. I don't know. I want to get 10 million now.
You know what is 10 million check?
For my grandfather, nobody don't make up the 10 million. I bet.
Now. Shut up and you talk. When I want cash out for bank, you celebrate my Oga birthday. The Oga on top. Oga do. Do you know this man I'm talking about?
No, I don't know him. I don't know him.
Prince Hirali Obo. My Oga will do birthday. Come tear my check. If you not provide this money now, I'll deal with you. Or unless I hear from my Oga. The Oga will be Oga where they do give away anyhow. Even motherless baby, they give money. They dash money to everybody. This man I'm talking about is very good. If I call this man, if you say make I free, I'll go free. But if you say make I no free, I'll give you the other city.
Okay, I beg, I agree, make them free me. Happy birthday, sir. Happy birthday. I agree, make them free me. God will bless me.
Who do me like this?